Hello. Welcome to another brand new episode of Redmi Project. मैं हूं Gadget वाला. I have two absolute loves in my life: travel and photography. And to combine these two, I keep running away from office to go to cool places. I spent last weekend in Jaipur to take some outstanding pictures of Nahargarh Fort and Jaipur city life. And oh my God, this was the perfect place to try out the Sky Filter on the MIUI camera app. It completely redefines and redesigns any photograph that you've made. Let's take a look at how you can use this. Why would you need to use the sky filter? If the sky is dull and boring, or if the sky is just plain cloudless and just one shade of blue, and you want to add a lot more character, or you want to go a step ahead and add a whole different feel to it. Jaise if you shot the photo in afternoon, which is anyway not a very flattering time period to take pictures of the sky, but you want to give it a morning or an evening or a dusk or a rainbow, you can do all of that with the sky filter. Let's check it out. So let's take a look at this photo. Now, if you were to do all of this on Adobe Photoshop for your DSLR pictures, the number one time-consuming thing, जिससे आपको नानी याद आ जाएगी, that's going to be masking the elements in the photo, right? You would mask it, you would isolate one layer, you would add another layer and superimpose whatever sky or gradient or filter you want. Don't have to do any of that. Go to the photo, click on the edit button right here, click on the third button, which is filter. Now there's landscape, portrait, food, film, and sky. Sky is the fifth one. Click on that. And the instant, that's right, that's the beauty of the AI working in the camera mode on MIUI. The instant you click on these modes, in nanoseconds, you see the sky getting replaced. And everything else also shows the change. So for example, you click on cloudy, everything else becomes slightly darker. You click on rainbow, and the shadows change. You click on glow, the overall image gets brightened up. You click on dusk, ooh, that looks so beautiful. And of course, you click on sunset or cloudy. So you see it's an absolutely empty blue sky. You click on cloudy, adds a lot more character, but it has also made the image far brighter. So I go to cloudy, and there's also a slider when you double tap. You can go and add, let's say, a scale. So I'm adding 50 for cloudiness, so the clouds look slightly mellow, and then I can go and adjust, and I can reduce or increase the brightness of this particular image. There you go, and you just long press on this and you see the difference between the previous image and the brand new image. Save it, and all of this has been transformed into a completely new picture in a matter of seconds. Okay, if you haven't already, please go to the Nahargarh Fort. It is a couple of centuries old, and I especially love the minarets on the roof. There are so many of them. It's stunning, okay? And go there around sunset. The light is Chummeshwari. Now let's take a look at this picture. Of course, it's a flat sky. Click on edit, click on filter, go to sky mode, and just for fun, try all of them. Look at how sunny makes it brighter, okay? Rainbow obviously adds a rainbow to it. Glow makes it all brighter. But check out the dusk mode on this photo. Oh my God. Suddenly there's so much of mood in this photo, right? I can go from this bright photo into dusk, that twilight. Oh, this is so beautiful. Okay, I click on OK. I go to adjust, and I want to bump up the contrast slightly here. Okay, and I want to play with the brightness slightly here. And what you now get is a completely different image. Save. How awesome is that? Seriously, aap pro ho na ho, the Redmi K20 Pro can make you look like a super professional photographer for your gram. Why is a watermark important? आज की तारीख में where everybody wants to get more and more likes and followers on social media platforms, if you're as good a photographer as I am, my photos keep getting stolen all the time. Some days I wake up to my pictures being used by some travel website or some other wannabe Instagram influencer. But if you put on a watermark, of course they can crop it, but hey, it at least acts as a deterrent for someone trying to steal your photo. The cool thing about watermarks on Redmi Note series and the K20 Pro is you can customize it. So apart from your device ID, the second line is fully customizable. You can add your name, you can add different scripts like Hindi, Bengali, Tamil, Telugu, and you can also add your favorite emoji. So go on, make your watermarks and share your watermark pictures with me. Use hashtag #ShotOnRedmi and hashtag Redmi Project. If you want a feature in your camera software, write to us. Hit up the comment section, go to Instagram, go to Redmi India, also go to Gadgetwala. Tag us with all your cool Sky Filter applied pictures and show off your creativity. That's all we've got for you on this episode of Redmi Project. Don't forget to subscribe to Redmi India's YouTube channel. And like I said, tag us on your pictures and use hashtag Redmi Project for this. By the way, anybody watching this from Jaipur, give me a like, hit up the comment section. Big love. Khamagani.